With the EQC going on sale in Europe mid-year, it will join Tesla's Model X, Jaguar's I-Pace and Audi's e-tron on the roads, and also, the EQC is expected to preview in dealerships in New Zealand around December, with the price to be announced closer to the date. It is the first vehicle to be launched by Mercedes under the EQ brand, which stands for Electric Intelligence. It is being built at the Bremen factory in Germany alongside the GLC and C-Class range, so if there is a huge demand for the EQC, then production at the plant can focus on it. The EQC carries over only the platform and suspension from the GLC, with 85% all new, including a coupe-style body and LED outline lights around the front grille and rear boot that give a futuristic look. The EQC will come as one variant, the 404-matic, with AMG-line pack of seats and alloys as extras. It also has MBUX and Hey Mercedes systems, the same as are now found in the A-Class and GLE. The EQC has two electric motors on the front and rear axles, both producing 150 kilowatts of power each, and a maximum torque of 760 Newton-meters. The front engine is optimized for low to medium load range, while the rear one is for dynamic performance. There are 5 driving modes: Comfort, Eco, Max Range, Sport, and Individual, plus 4-matic as standard. Mercedes says charging at a wall box or AC charging stations is 11 hours while DC quick charge is about 40 minutes. Mercedes claims it has a range of between 445 to 471 kilometers, but those are ideal conditions, whereas everyday use, air conditioning, the stereo and comfort driving mode, would see that around the 400 kilometers mark. For example, my test EQC had 69% of battery left with a range of 260 kilometers, whereas my colleague in the EQC next to me had 70% battery left and 210 kilometers range. Someone before him must have had it in sport mode, heating on full due to snow the previous day, and the stereo blaring. And when it comes to the interior, Mercedes has worked magic to make it stand out from GLC. There is futuristic dash with minimal controls and stylish materials. Mercedes has worked on creating a quiet cabin thanks to the 2 power packs being isolated by rubber mounts at 2 points, where the motors connects to the subframe, and where the subframe connects to the body. It works remarkable with slight wind noise heard at high speed, and at low speed in max range mode you could hear the slight, what I like to call sci-fi, whir of the battery. During my 2-day drive program, the ECQ encountered 80 km/h country, so I put it in comfort mode. The low-speed Oslo city driving plus small-town speed limit of 40 km/h plus 0 to 100 km/h testing at a private airfield out of Oslo. Handling at speed and around the pretty, sedate Norway country roads was easy for the EQC, mimicking the GLC. But what I was most impressed with was the regenerative braking system in max range mode. Using the steering wheel paddles you can activate D, semi-regenerative, or D, mode, intensive mode. The latter applies the brake lights to alert the vehicle behind you that are braking hard. This type of steering in an EV is called in-one pedal driving, and helps keep the battery charged longer. The EQC has a cabin payload of 445 kilograms, while the GLC is 665 kilograms, and has a factory-fitted tow bar that allows towing of 1,800 kilograms.